I'm Lance Ramos from BSIT3 Y1-2, and I'm here to explain the Laboratory 1 Problem 3. So first is, magde-define muna tayo ng function named getDiscount na tatanggap ng isang integer. So, yung function na to is tinutukoy niya kung magdadagdag ba ng discount and magka-calculate ng final price. So, mag mag-start tayo dito sa conditional statement na si if. So, dito sa condition natin is gagamit tayo ng greater than or equal operator. So, i-check dito yung if yung in-input ba natin is greater than or equal to 1,000. If the condition is true, i-calculate yung discounted amount by multiplying the original amount by 0.9. If false naman, there will be no discount applied and the original amount will be the same. So, dito naman is gagamit tayo ng input function para hingin yung total amount, and using the float function, maha-handle niya rin yung may mga decimal values. Then, next is tatawagin natin yung amount, which is the defined function, and ipiprint niya na yung output.